City won the first game at St. James's Park by 2-0. I think, if I'm not wrong, the goals were scored by, Semenyo and Ryan Cherky in the second half. So Newcastle have a lot of work to do. But I guess with Newcastle, with their defense not at their best, Man City not at their best with all these injuries in defense, I think Newcastle have a shot. I think if they go all out to attack with the likes of Johan Wissa, Jacob Ramsey, and Nico Woltemade, and the likes of Anthony Gordon, if they can get an early goal, it will put pressure on Man City to probably crack and maybe get a second or third. But I think it's going to be very difficult. Newcastle had the opportunities in the first leg. They didn't take them. So I just don't think Man City will get the job done. I don't think they win. I think this game ends in a draw of a goal apiece. So that should be your final. Arsenal against Man City, March 22nd, Wembley Stadium. That will be a Sunday. I think it will be an Easter weekend.